Remove the top hinge cover using a flathead screwdriver. Gently lift it from the rear of the hinge. Loosen the top hinge screws. Gently remove the top hinge. Remove the screw hole covers on the other side of the freezer door. Detach the freezer door. Loosen the bottom hinge screws. Gently remove the bottom hinge. Loosen the bottom screws on the other side. Remove the bottom hinge pin of the door. Flip the bottom hinge, then install the hinge pin back on. Attach the bottom hinge to the opposite side, using the same screws. Attach the screws from the original side of the bottom hinge to the other side. Place the door onto the new hinge position. Place the top hinge, ensuring the screw holes are aligned. Insert the screws. Replace the top hinge cover. Press firmly on the front of the cover until it snaps in place. Replace the screw hole covers into the opposite side of the top hinge. Door direction change complete.